This video guide is about removing the browser hijacker called Get Movie Search, also known under the name of the website getmoviesearch.com. So this is a browser hijacker promoting the getmoviesearch.com search engine. It operates by making alterations to browser settings in order to cause redirects to its web searcher. Additionally, Get Movie Search likely has got data tracking abilities. Due to the questionable methods used to distribute browser hijackers, they are also correctly classified as potentially unwanted applications. Browser hijackers may reassign browser's homepage, default search engine, and the new tab window URL to fraudulent web searcher addresses. Get Movie Search modifies browsers in this manner as well. So, with this hijacker installed, new browser tabs and windows get opened and search queries typed into the URL bar redirect you to getmoviesearch.com. Whenever you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are now delivered by some unfamiliar search engine not requested by you initially. In some cases, the results may be delivered by Bing, by Yahoo, or by searchly.com, or by some other unfamiliar search engine you have never intended to use. So I recommend you to go to the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions that you may find here. I would also recommend you to research your computer additionally with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start researching your computer with this program in order to be convinced that there are no any other threats hidden on your system. So after the program updates its antivirus database, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your device. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.